Hi, my name's Devin Niemer. I'm the founder of PowerPortal, a smarter web browser that saves you hours of time by helping you do more in less clicks. Let's get started. I'm going to type in work in progress, Las Vegas. It's my favorite co-working space. Google gives us some pretty good results, so we're clicking the first one, takes us directly to their homepage. You'll see on the left sidebar, we have all of Google's results. So the second item on that list was the Mill. The Mill is an awesome project to give $5,000 to entrepreneurial-minded people. Next item, Progression Labs. Similar to the Mill, but a little further along in the development process. Go back to our Google search results. We see Work in Progress's Twitter page. And lastly, let's check out an article. So you can see pretty quickly, we just learned a whole bunch of information on Work in Progress with just a few clicks. Next thing I'm going to show you is our mapping service. Type in 701 Bridger, Las Vegas, Nevada. Enter. We're using Google as our default mapping service, and they've done a lot of good stuff. They drove around in cars and filmed the front of all the buildings. Microsoft took a different approach. They call it bird's eye view. Really, they flew helicopters everywhere. But what's great about this is you can see it from all different angles. And again, it's just a click away. One click takes that same address, applies it to a different mapping service. Next one we're going to check out is Walk Score. Walk Score tells you everything that you can walk to within 20 minutes of the location that you typed in. And we could even change that. Let's change it to 30 minutes. Another service that we added in is Spot Crime. Tells you all of the crime statistics for the area. Again, taking that same address and applying it to Spot Crime to tell you what's going on there. Next thing is we built our own version of a social network. We took an aggregate of all of the different social networks and compiled all of the information together so you have the most updated profile you can. Then we take our sidebar. As you see, I just went from my Facebook page to my Twitter page onto LinkedIn. We also have Google+, Instagram, YouTube, GitHub, and many others that are all just a click away. So you import all of your contacts, and you can find them all across the web. Let's go to Alan's page. Here's his page with us. Here's his Facebook page. And we can scroll down, see all the stuff that's going on with Alan. Another great feature that we built into this is folders. You can organize all of your contacts based on however you feel like organizing them. This is the people on our team. Next is people that I've talked to about possibly investing with us. Click on Scott Savage. And when I took a meeting with him, I made a whole bunch of notes. I can comment on those notes. I can share those notes. Scott doesn't see it on his profile, but anybody that I'm sharing that contact with does. Also imported a lot of contacts from business cards. Here's Jared Fuller. I could email him or click on his website. And JobHive is another local company out here. They're doing some really cool stuff. Another great thing that we've built is the mobile version of all of these different social networks. We've taken that mobile version and just put it in the sidebar. You'll see it's about the width of a phone, so it works perfect for that mobile view. In the left sidebar is the social network. On the right side is everything that you click on. And if you notice on services like Twitter, almost every single link, every single post has a link somewhere on the internet. So we make it really easy. You don't lose your spot. If you use the normal Twitter website, you click on it and it brings you to a whole different tab. And you have to keep going back and forth or closing the tabs. It gets to be a little bit of a pain. We also have Google+, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook. We're also adding in soon Pinterest, Tumblr, and a few others. Another great value-added service is taking all of the tabs and stacking them on the left side so you can clearly read what every single website is. Sometimes you get too many tabs, they get too small, you can't really see them. Doing this frees up your memory, speeds up your computer, and gives you easy access to everything that you still had open. Tech Cocktail was nice enough to write an article about us. There it is. Close that. Give it the full screen version. And And let's rate this. They did a great job on our article. Hitting the thumbs up does a lot of good things for us. We're building a service that's similar to bookmarks, but nobody really uses bookmarks, so we're reinventing it. That'll come later down the road. It also works for our rating system and protecting kids. Last feature I'm going to show you is hashtag searching. Type in Vegas Tech, and we're using a service to aggregate all of the Twitter, Google+, Facebook, Instagram, all of those different posts, and pull them into one location. So you type in any hashtag, and you see it all over the web.